So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update your Dragon City app. So the first thing you want to do is to download Dragon City. You can see here the logo right at the bottom of the screen. So from there, swipe to your app store. And on here you can see Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and the search button. Click on that search button and let's find Dragon City. So on here, once you type Dragon City out, you can see the option Dragon City, Collect, and Battle. So from there, you can see now available, stuff like that. And since this is an online game, it's frequently getting updates. So make sure that you are at the latest update. So you have the latest update. And you can do that by clicking on the, right now it says open, but if you have an update, it's going to say update button. Click on that. And from there, it's going to start updating this app. Depending on the size of the update, just make sure that you have enough storage for that. And once the app is updated, you'll first need to, I suggest, exit the app or even log out of the app and log back in order for the updates to uh, finish loading and getting your game up to speed and up to date. So from there, just click on Dragon City once more and enjoy all the new features that this update will bring you. So that's about it. That's how you can update your Dragon City app. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.